Hey guys, Julie here and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing with you 3 simple ways to make over one of these ceramic Dollar Tree pumpkins using a gold marker and gold paint. So if you want to see how I do that, make sure you stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Julie, and on my channel I do DIYs, home decor, and organizing all on a budget. So if that's something that interests you, you want to make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so that you don't miss any future videos. I also hope that if you enjoyed this video, you will give it a thumbs up, and let's get to the video.
For the first pumpkin makeover, I used 2 white pumpkins and 1 orange one. I wrote grateful, thankful, and blessed on them using pencil, which I highly recommend. I did make some mistakes, and it was no problem to just erase it off. I then traced over the pencil using this gold marker, and I did let it dry, and then I did do a second coat of the tracing to kind of thicken the letters. Now, I want to be sure to mention that this is part of a challenge hosted by Clueless Mama D and Rias World of Ideas. It's their $5 Dollar Tree DIY challenge that they host every season. So make sure that you check out the playlist that I will have linked down in my description box to see all the other DIYs.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my...
Now, for this second pumpkin makeover, I wanted to give the pumpkin a gold dipped look. So I just used my gold paint and painted 3/4 of the way up the pumpkin. And I wanted to make sure that the line was not perfectly straight so that it had that dipped look. Now, this also took 2 coats of paint to completely cover the white.
Beneath the moonlit sky, the tears from her eyes, they came without warning. As I held her in my arms, afraid to drown in memories, the flickering light cast shadows on the concrete. But you don't have to worry, you don't need to be afraid of hurting me.
For the final pumpkin makeover, I will again be using this gold marker. And to begin, I just traced in all the creases of the pumpkin. Now this is the more detailed part of this one project. It's in order to make a chevron pattern. You want to start by drawing out the lines at the top of the pumpkin so that the rest of the way down the pumpkin you have a guide and everything doesn't end up being really crooked and uneven. So you start by drawing a diagonal line alternating from bottom to the top and the top to the bottom, if you can kind of see what I'm doing in this video. And it should look kind of like a star pattern at the top. And then using that as a guide, I am just going to follow those lines. So this one little section of the pumpkin from the top to the bottom is going to go down to up. And you'll see that when I do the next section, I start at the same point that that section ended. I know describing this sounds difficult, but I'm sure that visually you can totally see exactly what I'm doing.
about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the free.
For more fall DIYs, please check out these other 2 videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out the playlist below, and I will see you guys in the next video.